Then we get into the fiberglass mesh tape. I pretty much only use for repairs. One thing you need to know is you only use it with a hot mud or quick setting mud. People complain about it cracking all the time and they hate it, but the problem is if you read the directions, which a lot of people don't read directions, the manufacturers tell you to use it with a hot mud or quick set mud. If you use it with a premix, it's gonna crack on you. The good things about this is it lays real flat. You don't have to bed it first, so you stick it to the drywall or the repair, so it's going to be nice and flat, as opposed to the paper tape, which you have to put the joint compound down and then put the tape in. So if you don't have enough joint compound, you're going to get the bubbles and blisters that I talked about. Super fast to apply, and like I said, because it lays flat, you get less joint humps. The thing is, you have to either use your taping knife to cut it or a razor knife to cut it. It doesn't just tear off the roll like paper tape does. Some of the cons, you have to use the hot mud, which is a powder form of joint compound. So a lot of people don't want to take the time and mix it up, and then they end up using the premix and you get cracks. If you sand through it, again, you lose all the strength. Pretty strong if you use the right muds with it, like the quick sets. And you can't use this in auto tools or banjos, really. I mean, some people say you can, but I would never run hot mud through my auto tools or my banjo. So I always use the paper tape for that. Another thing, I like to always, if I'm using it, fold it over the roll so it's kind of hanging off, because if you put it back on there, I'm sure you guys know, or gals know, that it's hard to find the end again, so you can struggle with that. So always lay it over the roll so you can grab it and go. I don't use it in the corners. I use the paper tape, again, just so I can get the nice crisp corner. That's the pros and cons of fiberglass mesh tape. Everyone have a great day. And if you want to catch the next video or any of my upcoming videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button now in the center of the screen to keep up with all my videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll leave some of my most popular video links down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching.